And the thing, I feel much better now, I can tell you that for sure. Okay, but I got the original. Why I got the original? All right. Good morning, everybody. We are on a heat wave. Ice coffee. With a lot of ice in there. Look what's going on. What they call the heat wave. I don't really believe it. I mean, you know, years ago when I was like, I don't know, 10, 15 or something. Look at it. Trinity. We have summers that the heat was even more, was like, I don't know, 45 or something. So it's what I call it is a Greek summer, and I enjoy it. Yes, in the middle of the day we have high heat. Sometimes I'm with a bike and it's not comfortable, but it's summertime. Take a hike, you know. All right, so this video here is, I'm going to tell you what the video is. All right, it's about this spring here. You see it? Okay. When I got this bike, the thing was like completely loose, and I replaced that. And this is an aftermarket, and the bike I have it for like 2 months or something like that, and this became also loose. That never happened on my Fat Boy. Then we have it for like 30 years or something, So I did a lot of research on the internet to see what's going on with that thing here, and I'm gonna show you how to replace it, of course. But the important thing is, let me show you what the important thing is. You see this Harley Davidson bag? I wait for like a week for that. Okay, but I got the original. Why I got the original? It's a different quality. All right, and I'm gonna use these as a backup. Put it in my bags or something. Okay, but I'm gonna put back the original. And they say the original lasts for like a year or two or something like that. This doesn't last for not even for 2 months. It started getting loose. All right, I don't know what's going on with this street glides or something like that, but I have it on a Fat Boy. 30 years, it's the same spring. I have never replaced it and never have any problem. So we're gonna find out. All right, let's put it on. Okay, so the part number is 49725-07E. But check your service manual or your parts manual. Make sure, or just call the Harley dealer. Make sure you have the same part number, because this is a street glide. All right, maybe for your bike is a little bit different. All right, so basically we're gonna remove the top one. You have to have a lifter to do that. You have to lift up the bike, because the only way to replace the spring is to move the stand on the forwards. Okay. And then I put like an old rug here, so I can. All right, so I can spray a little bit brake cleaner here to clean these parts. Just a little bit. And a little more. I know, I have to clean the bike, but you know what? It's a working bike. It's okay to be a little bit dirty. What's the big deal? Really. And I'm gonna use a 13. Maybe a socket, it will be a better idea, but you have to pour from the top. And the other solution is just hold it right there, and the bolt is loose. Alright, so we remove that. Let's not lose the parts. Yes, there is Loctite, all Loctite here, and you have to remove that tank. Yeah. I don't know, maybe bring a little bit WD-40. Okay, you know what? And there is a prop here for the stand. Okay, it looks like if you move it backwards, it will come a little bit loose. Alright, let's remember the position. Okay. You see the position? It goes straight with the stand. See what I'm talking about? The tank is like that. Okay. Like this. And it's straight with the stand. So then move it backwards a little bit and remove it. So if I put it back, you see it's there. It creates a triangle. It's diagonal. You see that? What I'm talking about? It's not a square. It's a diagonal, or whatever we call it. All right, it's right here. Then the thing locks right here. Okay. So let's move it backwards and remove the thing. And then we're going to put it like that, okay. Now, at this time, okay, let's clean up this little bit, this area a little bit more. Yeah. You see, now when I move it forward, the thing comes completely loose. See that? All the way out. Don't remove it yet. Let me see here. Yeah. Okay. That's it. And this is a good time to clean the part real good and I'm gonna put some bearing grease in here. Okay, this is the aftermarket one, and of course I'm going to keep it as a spare because I never have the situation before, really. Remember, I have my Fat Boy 30 years with the same spring. That's a soft tail, but I don't know. Maybe they don't make the parts that good anymore or something. Okay. Alright, so let's open the new one and put the backup in there, and I will keep it in my bag. Now this is the same thing. Alright, let's clean it a little more. I know I have to wash the bike. I get some time, I do it. There's a little hole here on the frame. I'm gonna clean this a little more. I'm gonna be using medium heat SKF bearing grease. This is what I use for years, and I never have any problem. It's very good quality. You don't need to get the high heat. The high heat is for, like, you know, inside the engine or something. Okay, so you don't need that. Just a little bit. You see that? It's easy there. If you try to do it any other way, like a screwdriver, or try to pull and something like that, you will suffer. I can tell you that. Now, if that happens in the middle of the road, you have to, and you don't have a lifter, all right, just lay your bike against a tree or something, or have somebody hold it for you. If you don't have anybody to hold it for you, just put it on a gear and lay it on a tree or on a wall or something on the right side. Let the bike be like that, and then do it. It's possible, yes, why not? All right, so let's see how we're gonna be doing that the way it was before. We're gonna be doing it diagonalic, okay? Like that, like a rhomb, you see that? All right, let me get this part a little bit more clean. Okay. And this is the top where the bolt goes, and this is the bottom. You see that? It locks inside here. And what you need to do is, oh, listen to that. Yeah. Bring it straight out the way we have it before, and just put it in. Okay, you see that? It locks. All right. Now, I'll take a little break and I'll bring the Loctite. Okay, let it dry a little bit from the cleaner. Okay, you see how that goes? All right, don't put it any other way. Remember, straight out and straight up. And of course, test it. Make sure it locks. See that? It locks in place. All right, let's put Loctite. Just a drop. I'm gonna use blue. Don't use red. You won't be able to take it out. Okay, just a drop. I highly recommend these gloves. Okay, this is like the best. They are kind of like what is it? Let me see. Cut level B, I think it says here, but they're excellent, very comfortable. I have used them all the time for all kind of different work. Yeah. You lift it up a little bit and the bolt will go in easier, I think. All right, let's give it a try. Yeah. Also, these things, look at that, they're extremely helpful, okay? This particular one is Creator, excellent quality, but look at that. And you don't have to use a socket if you have that in the difficult spots like this. Okay. Just give it a good snug. I'm not going to use the torque wrench here, and I don't think I have to. Test it. Okay, put a spare in the bag. And the thing, I feel much better now, I can tell you that for sure. Alright, if you're capable, do your own repairs, most of it. Of course, I'm still going to the dealer for other stuff, but you know, I love to do it. All right, thanks for watching. Subscribe, more to come.